Hello everyone, I'm your drawing teacher Rehana Merchant. Today we are going to learn one number. See how one number, then we'll do candy, lollipop. Okay, second one number we'll do like this, then you do same, then you do like this. Okay, it is a tree. Then one number will do, see, then you join here and do here, and you do candle. We'll do here one number, see, and then again then you do pencil. Okay, then one number you do like this. So your boat is ready. Extend this line and you do like this. Okay, see, and again one number you do standing line, one number. So you extend this one number like this, and then what you do, this is a brush. Okay, see, I did sketch pen. See what I did with the colors. It is all are in one number. I make from the one number. Now we'll do next video on two number.